Yes, sir.
This is test 4, section 1. These formulas would be given. Which of the following expression is equal to 0 for some value of x? Hmm. I think 0 at a. If in a we consider that 0, that's going to be positive 1, negative 1. Yeah. Number 2. In the function above, b is a constant. If f of x is equals to 7, what is the value of f of minus 2? So 7 is equals to 3 by 2 of 6 plus b. 2 1 times 2 3 times 3 3 is a 9. 7b is equals to minus 2. So 3 by 2 of minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5. Question number 3. X over y is equals to 6. 4 into y plus 1 equals x. If xy is the solution to the system of equations above, what is the value of y? See this equation, these two equations, you can directly punch them in Desmos. So we're not going to solve it, we're just going to punch it. X over y is equals to 6. X over y is equals to 6. And second is 4 into y plus 1 is equals to x. And there you go. X 12 y2 y2. If f of x is equals to this, what is the value of minus 3x equal? So minus 2 into minus 3x plus 5 is 6x plus 5. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So just simplify. This can't be because it is giving me quadratic. 3 2 times 6, 6 4 times is 24. B and B and C both could be possible values. So 6x plus 3 into 4x plus 1, 24x square plus 6x plus 3, 4 times is 12x. So we do have something in x. So it is C. If a minus b over b equals 3 by 7, which of the following must be true? Okay, let's slowly rearrange it. 7a minus 7b is equals to 3b. So that's 10b. 7a. A over b is equals to 10 over 7. This could be true. While preparing to run for a marathon, Amelia created a training schedule in which the distance of her longest run every week increased by a constant amount. A familiar training schedule requires that her longest run in week 4 is a distance of 8 miles and her longest run in week 16 is a distance of 26 miles. So basically 12 different weeks and a distance of 26 minus 8 is 18. So it is 1.5 mile. D. Which of the following equation represents a line that is parallel to the line? So gradient minus 3. A? Yep, A. Gradient minus 3. If A is equals to 2, what is the solution set of the equation above? Okay. So squaring both sides gives me x minus 2 is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square 8 minus 1 is 9x plus 18 is equals to 0. And I am, no, where's my calculator? Okay. I'll have to do it manually. Calculator could also solve this. So this is 18, 6 3 times x square minus 6x minus 3x plus 18, x minus 6, x minus 6, x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 6.
That's very smart, sir.
Thank you so much for the motivation. Actually, I was actually giving up. If t plus 5 over t minus 5 equals 10, what is the value of t? T plus 5 equals 10t minus 50. 55 is equals 11, 90. 55 by 9. How many order pairs satisfy the system of equations shown above? So one is a guess that there should be two because one is quadratic, the other is straight. And it could be 0 if they are not intersecting. It cannot be one, maybe one if it is tangent and infinite many. So I'm not going to solve it. Rather, I'm going to use this. X is equals to 2y plus 5. Y is equals to 2x minus 3 x plus 9. Now I have to make sure how many intersections? 2, clearly. You see how much time it reduces? Get used to it.
Yes, sir.
Ken and Paul each ordered a sandwich at a restaurant. The price of Ken's sandwich was X dollars. Now, this is not fair. If friends are there, why are you comparing the prices? And price of Paul's sandwich was $1 more than Ken's. So X plus 1. Then price of Ken's sandwich. If Ken and Paul split the cost of the sandwich evenly and each paid 20% tip. So this is the total cost and they're paying this. And each paid a 20% tip. Which of the following expression represents amount in dollars each of them paid into 1.2? So 2x by 2 plus 1 by 2 times 1.2. So 1.2x, there's only in one option, so I'm not calculating the remaining part. I can see 1.2 in only C. The function f and g defined by this and this. So one is smiley and the other is sad. Are graphed in the xy plane above the graph of the f and the g intersect at the points this and this. What is the value of k? Okay, so basically y is 0. So 2 by 8 is equals to x square, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Question 14. If the expression above is rewritten in the form a plus b iota where a and b are real numbers, what is the value? Rationalizing. 8 minus iota over 3 minus 2 iota. For those who've never done this, examiner is telling the story. 8 3 times is 24 plus 16 iota minus 3 iota and minus 2 iota square. So already iota is square root minus 1. Squaring that would change the sign. And in denominator, we have a square minus b square.
So this is a lot of work.
Yeah. So 24. So basically, he's only interested in the real part. 24 and 2 is 26. Not interested in the imaginary part, and that would be 9. 2 the 4 minus plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 2 only.
Ah,
15th. In the quadratic equation above, k and p are constants. What is the solution for x? Oh, that's so nice. So quadratic equation, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus k by 2, and c is equal to minus 2p. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4 a c over 2a. So one thing, when I'll simplify, I'll get k by 4. So these two options are not there. And 4 2 times is going to be 8. And we are simplifying the right hand side separately. So this is basically k 4 by 4 minus 8p. And when I get this in square root, I should have 4 over here. So this is k square minus 8 4 is 32 p by 4. That is going to make it 16 in the denominator. This is actually outside. 16 outside becomes 4 again. And this was plus. So B. Any doubt in simplification?
Uh, it's a long question, but sir, it's easy.
Yeah. So this would become k square plus 32p over 16. And when 16 comes out, that is 4. Somehow similarity question. Jim has a triangular shelf system that attaches to the shower head. Shower head. Triangular shelf system, shower head. The total weight of the system is Total height of the system is 18 inches, and there are 3 parallel shelves as shown above. What is the maximum height in inches of shampoo bottle that can stand up on the middle shelf? So basically 3, 4, 5, 6. If I split that, 18 by 6 is 3. 3, 3 times is 9. 3, 2 times is 6. 9 inches.
wow.
Or we say 3 by 3, 4, 5, 6 into 18. Question 17. In the triangle above, the sine of x is this. What is cos of y? 0.6. Sine x is equals to cos y, where x plus y is equals to 90. For the real value of x in the equation above, for what real value of x is the equation above true? Okay, this is new. New. What is this? X cube minus 5x square. X cube minus 5x square. By the way, I'm using GeoGebra. Desmos is even more friendly. plus 2x minus 10. Okay, let that be. Please check your input. What did I do? X cube minus 5x square plus 2x equals to y. No, equals to 0. No, what's happening? X cube minus 5x square minus 5x square plus 2x minus 10 equals 0. For what real value of x is the equation about true?
So
What is
I thought GeoGebra was supposed to be friendly. This is not seeming very friendly, sir.
no, Desmos is more friendly. This
Oh,
is
okay.
you.
So GeoGebra is unfriendly.
No, maybe I'm causing any punching problem. Let's try x cube minus 5x square plus 2x minus 10. Create slider for x also create. Oh, so no solution. X is equals to 1.
Wait, sir, could you go back to the question? I'll just put it into Desmos.
Oh, we have solution if we change the values of x.
Can you
Yeah, sure, sure. X cube minus 5x square plus 2x minus 10.
x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x minus 10? Give me a solution at x equals 5.
X equals 5. So, yes. X equals 5. X comma y is the solution of this equation. What is the value of x? Where did I close that? Yeah. Minus 3x plus 4y is equals to 20. 6x plus 3y is equals to 15. And in this, we don't have to be sure about the calculation mistake. X0, y5. So what is the value of x? X is equals to 0. The mesosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere between 50 kilometers and 85 kilometers above Earth's surface. At a distance of 50 kilometers from Earth's surface, the temperature of the metosphere is. I just read it and didn't think anything. The metosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere between 50 kilometers and 85 kilometers above the Earth. At a distance of 50 kilometers from the Earth's surface, the temperature in metosphere is -5, and at a distance of 80 kilometers from the Earth, the temperature of metosphere is -80. So at 80, this is -80. Okay. For every addition in 10 kilometers from our surface, the temperature in metosphere decreases by this Celsius. So basically, in 30 kilometers, 80 and 5, it is changing 75 divided by 30. So 2.5 decreases by 2.5 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?